Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to export part of your video here in Capcut. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so it's very simple. All we need to do, let's drag up a clip of ours. Let's go for this one. Open this up and you can see we've got a very long 10-minute or so clip. But I want to focus on this part right at the very end. So all I need to do is make sure I've selected the video itself in its entirety, click on split, there's also Control B, and then we'll go all the way up to this point and we'll click split again. Now we want to make sure this is the chunk we export. So all we need to do is do right click, go down to range, and then click select by clip. And you can see it's grayed out everything else. If we do want to include this, we can just click cancel. And then we can go back and then reselect the clips. We're just going to use this one. So we'll do range, select by clip. From here, we then can just go to export. You can see the whole video at its moment is 10.5 minutes. If I click export, you can see it's only selected the 1 minute 20 second I've selected. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.